Welcome to Conquer the Markets. Revenge trading is a dangerous cycle that can have a significant impact on your trading performance. Revenge trading occurs when a trader takes on additional trades after a loss in an attempt to get back at the market or recoup their losses. This can lead to impulsive and irrational trading decisions that can be detrimental to your portfolio. So, how can you break the cycle of revenge trading? One way is to take a break from trading. By stepping away from the market for a period of time, you can clear your head and break the emotional cycle that leads to revenge trading. Another way to break the cycle of revenge trading is to evaluate your trading strategy. If your strategy is consistently leading to losses, it may be time to adjust your approach. It's also important to practice discipline and risk management when trading. By having the discipline to stick to your trading plan and risk management principles, you can avoid the temptation to take on additional trades after a loss. Finally, it's important to take care of yourself both physically and emotionally. This can include practicing mindfulness, exercise, and seeking support from friends or professionals if needed. Remember, revenge trading is a dangerous cycle, but it's not one that you have to be stuck in. By taking a break, evaluating your trading strategy, practicing discipline and risk management, and taking care of yourself, you can break the cycle of revenge trading and improve your trading performance. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more trading tips and insights. Thanks for watching. Go out and conquer the markets.